You gotta go faster than that. Yeah, buddy!
It's so bright out here with the dim light, like the snow's bright.
Oh, I went so slow, I'm like, that might be a little deep. Yeah, okay.
That was awesome.
It's so soft though. Dude, it's so soft. It just. I'll just drag it over here. You got video on this one?
I got it.
Did you not have yours on?
No, I shut it off.
Oh, you shut it off on purpose.
Pretty fucking soft.
You might want a shovel for the first time.
This is gonna be a shoveler.
That's awesome.
It's literally just 8 by 11. Steve, you made it look so easy.
I did. I kind of could tell like it wasn't like
Yeah, I wasn't going in there.
tough, but
I knew it was gonna be a sudden stop.
well, here's Nick with his first time use of a shovel. Pretty nice, huh?
Better put gloves on for that.
Hey, no sudden stops, please. I was like, man, he's not even going half fast enough to get through that.
Yeah, I got up to it and I was like, that's a lot steeper than I thought it
As
was.
you keep going, I think you might hit the point where it really like pressed over.
Yeah, she's pretty set up, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not a fresh one.
Awesome.
There's probably a reason there's no drop on it. Dude, coming out this way would be fucking sweet.
I'm gonna drop off of it.
I'll stand right over there and video it. Top of the world, Ma!
I'll tell you this much, the fucking shovel is the way to fucking go.
Oh yeah. I don't mind this backpack at all either.
I just actually would have rolled it over to the left and you can.
You can, it's solid.
Pull it. It's so I went to grab it. Didn't it?
Yeah.
Literally ate the sled.
It's so just dug in there.
Day one.
Having fun.
1 hour in.
Two.
Well, if you're gonna keep getting stuck, we need to bring beer out with
I was
us.
gonna say, this is a just quick fucking scheme.
Yeah.
Is rolling even gonna help us there?
We should be able to drag it. Yeah,
He's-
you just need to turn it 90 degrees.
He's manhandling that shovel pretty good. It's not his first time.
Hey, Nick, don't dig out up there. Dig out behind your tunnel.
So you,
Next where your bag is.
Yeah, dig that out so we can lift your track over there.
that's the light stuff.
Yeah, that's what we thought the rest of it was made of.
You really didn't have much chance here.
Mm.
I think I just got lucky enough.
Yeah,
Yep.
me and you both kind of hit it just right.
I'm just happy I wasn't going full speed.
Yeah.
I think we have a good week, boys.
Dude, it's so hard with the light. It's so hard to see how steep it is.
That's
Oh,
why
it's
I took my
just
goggles off. I
horrible
was like taking
lighting
them
for
off,
what we're
thinking,
trying to do.
like,
First day out,
ski.
fucking snowing, so we go decide to go up on the highest point in the fucking world.
Hurry up before anyone comes.
Yeah, don't let them see it.
Here, just drag your back end over first. I think you might have a... We get it to go 90 degrees, you should be able to ride up this.
Yeah, it's that easy.
I think you can make it now.
Should just be able to drag this.
So you gotta remember the front end's heavier than the back end by a lot.
It's easier to grab though.
Roll it.
What's rolling gonna get us?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do.
You'll turn it 90 degrees if you do it right.
He's gonna have to pull that
Put
ski
it
higher.
upside down, then you turn it, and then you roll it the rest of the way.
Here, catch. Your white shovel, where'd it go?
Yeah.
Oh, right? I don't think Roman's going to get us anywhere.
No, you put it up on its top, and then you spin it 90 degrees and go that way.
On its top? Like, stand it up?
No. Upside down. Roll it onto the handlebars.
If you keep rolling it, it's eventually gonna be on top.
I think you just drag it that way and call it macaroons. Here, Steve.
If you want to make more work out of it, that's fine. I think it's pretty nice, I'll tell you that much. I knew I was gonna get my work done.
Oh fuck, yeah.
Big and skinny after this.
We're gonna be fucking so dead tonight.